Hello everyone, my name is Tejaswini. I am IT trainer in SAFA. So today I am going to giving the basic introduction about the computer. So computer is nothing but an electronic device which can take and raw data as input from the user and process this data under the control of set of instruction called programs. So these programs and it can calculate both numerical and non-numerical calculations. So it will give the result for the future purposes. So computer was firstly introduced by the Charles Babbage. So Charles Babbage is called as the father of the computer. So computer is abbreviated as commonly oriented machine particularly used for technical education and research. So these are the characteristics of computer. Characteristic of computer is nothing but the features of computer. So if you are purchasing a phone, the phone consisting of a different kinds of features. When comparing to the computer, the phone have a different kinds of features. So same like here, these are the different kinds of features, that is speed, accuracy, reliability, diligence, storage, automation, convenience and finally flexibility. So at present, due to the limited storage, resource and requirement for convenient access, so we prefer to store all kind of data in a computer. So it is a better option for companies and organization to retrieve the data from the computers. So firstly, the first feature is speed. It can calculate, the computer can calculate 3 to 4 million calculations per second. So it can't be possible for normal human beings. Next, accuracy. Accuracy means when comparing to the human being, the computer can have a more accurate in nature. Next, reliability. The computer can have a reliable in nature as it gives the consistent result. If you are giving the same set of input at any number of times, it can't get confused and it can't get wrong result. It will give the right result at right time. And next, diligence. Diligence is nothing but the computer cannot get lazy like human beings. Sometimes human beings get lazy to calculate the calculations, whatever it may be. So the computer can't get diligence. Next, storage. Storage, we have two types of storage device in a computer, primary storage and secondary storage. So we can discuss this topic in the next session. So storage is nothing but it can store large amount of data. Next, automation. Automation is nothing but the computer can work automatically. Why? Because instructions are stored locally. So it will give the result as very accurately and efficiently. Next, convenience. Convenience is nothing but we can work at any time and anywhere. Next, flexibility. The computer can have a flexible in nature. Flexible, it means that we can move computer from one place to another place. So these are the different kinds of features of computer. Next, applications of computer. Applications of computer means uses of computer. So what are the uses of computers generally? So nowadays every professional uses computers. So first one is airlines and railway reservations. So airlines and railway reservations, for booking the ticket purposes we are using the computers. Next, medical diagnostics. Medical diagnostic for taking the reports of scanning and X-ray purposes we are using the computers in medical diagnostics. Next, weather forecasting. Weather forecasting means to predict the future weather purposes we are using the computers. Next, payment of telephone and electricity bills. So nowadays everyone were paying electricity bills and phone bills in an online mode. Next, banking services. Nowadays everyone are using net banking services like Google Pay, Paytm. So these are the different kinds of application we are using nowadays for transferring money from one place to another place. Next, cartoon films. Cartoon films are 2D animation pictures, 3D animation pictures for making different kinds of films, we are using the computers in a cartoon films. Next, creation of blueprints for houses. So nowadays different kinds of houses we are watching. So different kinds of houses have different models. So by creating the models, we are using the computers for AutoCAD software. We are giving the blueprint for houses. So these are the basic application and uses of computers. These are the features, and it is a computer stands for commonly oriented machine, particularly used for technical education and research. So this is about the basic introduction about the computer. I hope this class is very useful, and I hope this is it is understood by everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Thank you.